So now we will connect to our Windows server using the credential of the Active Directory. So we'll come here and choose another choice, another account, and then I'll provide my NetBIOS, anti/, then the admin. I will provide my password I have set once I created my directory service, and I will click on OK. Yes, it's working. Now I will click on yes. And now I'm able to log in. So if I go to the terminal, the command prompt, and then type who am I, show me the administrator of the Active Directory. So now what I'm going to do is to install the administrative Active Directory tools, remote access. So for that, I will go to my server manager, and then go to manage, add role and service. The server is collecting inventory data, so we have to wait a little bit. Click on manage, add role and features, click on next, next. I will click on features, click next, then scroll down and look for administrator, remote server administrator tools. I will expand that, and in the role administrator tools, I will choose the Active Directory domain service and the Active Directory LDS tools. So I will install it, and I wait the installation is finished. So the installation succeed. I have to do what you have to do is close, go to this flag, and click on add that role and feature, and it will show me this page again. So I will close that and come here and expand the Windows administrator tools. And as you can see here, that we have new services have created, and one of them that we will use the Active Directory users and computers. So if I click on that and try to expand it and look for computers, This is the computer that we are using for now, and for the users we have only the admin user. So we can come here now, and in Abdali users we can add new users, call it for example my nickname. You have to change the language French. Last name, username. Click on next, and for the password, I will user cannot change the password. They will provide it with password. Click on next, and then the new user is created. So now if we try to come back to my directory service and try to refresh, scroll down, just application management, scroll down, click on that, then add new user, find by user, and that is the user I have just created here, and they can add that user. Now if this user want, for example, to use the AWS workspace, it can use this Active Directory credential to sign in that, or to sign into the AWS workspace host. Another thing here I want to show you is how to install your Windows server on your local environment or on your local data center, right? And how to install the Active Directory, how to configure the domain name, etc. So what I will go to do now is, first thing, I go to instance. I will terminate this instance to not be in the charge of that instance, because I have already showed you that steps, right? So how to create user and join your machine or your computer to the domain. Then I will create launch another Windows server. Scroll down here, so I will stop the video until I will create this instance. So my instance has been launched and it is in the pending state. We have to wait until it starts running and connect to it. Then install our Active Directory on. Let me refresh this page again.